Transistor C945. LED. LED negative side connecting with transistor collector pin. (1K) resistance. Resistance connecting with LED positive side. (3.7 volt) battery. Battery negative wire connecting with transistor emitter pin. Battery positive wire connecting with resistance. Now when you touch transistor collector or base pin at a time, then LED is bright.